Hey everybody, Goldie240 here. So yeah, after some long, thorough, exhaustive, and highly scientific observation, I have determined that the Volvo still has an oil leak, as you can see here. So what I have done is I have oh, yeah, that's from when I parked it in backwards. So I parked it out here. It's a nice sunny day, and oh man, my nose is all. So let's take a look, see if we can find where the Earl is coming from, because I haven't been able to find where it's leaking from. God damn it. Because, look. We're dry back there. Oop, focus. Yep, dry back there. We're not blowing out the dipstick. We're not dripping out here any longer. Whoops, there went my sunglasses right into the fucking card. Awesome. I can't determine where the hell it's coming from. I'm looking all over the place. It looks wet way towards the back. So, for some reason, it's really wet back here. But I can't determine where it's dripping from. And everything from there forward seems to be dry as a bone, so what gives? I don't know. I'm gonna get up under here in a second and get all messy and dirty and see if I can't find where the hell it's coming from. The fact could also be that it's also seeping out of somewhere, like the sump in the back. I don't know, because I did overfill it when I refilled it after we had the deal with the rear cam seal. I don't know if that's a bad thing per se, but it will definitively prove whether or not we have a horrible, horrible oil leak, or if I'm just a big, huge dumbass. So we'll see. Alright, so when I checked the dipstick before I left, it was a little overfull, just the same as when I filled it up earlier. It's not seeping anymore though. It just seems to be dripping in decreasing amounts from an unknown source. So I'm gonna go for a quick little drive, get the juices flowing here really quick, and park it back on top of that pad and see if we're still leaking the same amount or if we're leaking any less. Alright, with the car running in the garage, let's do some quick little scientificals here. Let's take our little marking device here, and let's mark off that guy. Let's mark off that guy. And that's not a leak over there. That's from where I ripped it up. It kind of like fell apart or some shit. Don't see any more Earl on this, and so I'm going to pull it back up on top of this, and we will observe if any more oil descends from the nether regions of wherever the fuck it came from. Also, I got my sunglasses back. Anyways, moving on.